Hello dear friends, welcome to my new video. Today introducing how to do sewage treatment plant operating system. Please let's go video. This is STP plant panel board. Operator everything control here. Tank low level indicator. Tank high level indicator. Water full fill tank show indicator. Water working indicator run. A for auto, O for off, M for manual. This one system switch. To on all motor working, auto off only manual working. Operator backwash switch, chemical switch. Look inside the panel board. This one power supply reading meter. All motor conductor. This one breaker. This one main important one. Relay switch. This switch direction up manual working. Switch is down working auto. This one sewage tank. All wastewater collect this tank. Tank capacity approximately 200 cubic meter. Water pumping lift station via station tank. This tank attached lift station also. Water pipeline valve. Setting lift station. Inside the lift station, water pipeline valve, meter gauge, pump running time show pump pressure in meter gauge. Next to explain to water tank. First one is aeration tank. Aeration tank divided tank 1, tank 2. 150 cubic meter tank capacity. 250,000 liter per tank capacity. Aeration tank both are together setting. Sewage water lift from via transfer aeration tank. Aeration tank inside the water high level automatic stop pump. Next one chlorine tank or holding tank. Dosing pump via chlorine mix this tank. This tank capacity 100 cubic meter. From water aeration tank to communicator. How to work communicator. Lift pump on water communicator via aeration tank. Aeration tank capacity 250,000 liters. Duty waste item crash. Tank inside already fixed pressure pump. Tank inside water high level coming only automatic on pump. Water pressure applied in water 1 volts. Automatic stop motor. Take a time clean water. Automatic transfer water chlorine tank. I will introduce air bowler. Already have 2 air bowler. Bowler motor is working stand by stand. Motor is working 30 minutes. Motor alternative water pumping. This motor give high pressure circulation for water. Some water clean and smellless. Whole tank 2 each floating switch setting. One is high level water control, other one is low level water control. Floating switch automatically control. Full automatically start filter pump. 2 filter pump. 1 by 1 working time. Pump water pumping 2,000 to 50,000 liters per horse. 8 horsepower each motor. Pump water pumping from chlorine tank to sun filter tank. Water pumping time kg meter show measurement. Inside reduce water automatically valve open aeration tank. This for dosing pump chemical mixing. Water pumping time automatic working dosing pump. Chemical drum 200 liter capacity. 3 liter chlorine mix 1 drum and water. Drum 25 liter Aquafresh chemical and water mixing. Used for water from remove smell. Chlorine used for and purify wastewater. Pump together working. Mixing for treat water. Next to explain the sun filter tank. 5 valve and 2 filter pump connection setting. Capacity around 5,000 liters. 2 valve use filtration. This one first valve filtration time automatically open valve. Next second valve time automatically open. Valve number 3 outlet valve. Filtration time automatically open. This one fourth valve backwash time automatically open. This valve only backwash time use. Number 5 valve. Water backwash automatically open water rinse. Black color small one valve switch. Switch operator do can move manual position auto position. 2 valve use for filtration, 2 valve use for backwash. Backwash use last valve. Next, backwash to sun filter tank. Here just to see that Switch backward switch on. Valve backward inlet valve. Water coming below pipeline. Inside the tank. 10-minute cleaning process inside the tank. Water upside pipeline by cleaning water out. Backward outlet valve. Upside one valve, downside one valve. Final explanation for sand filter tank. How to work sand filter tank. First step, filter pump on. Water supply from holding tank. This valve is inlet valve. Water is coming upside pipeline via. Fill the water inside the tank. 1 kg meter already fixed below pipeline. Kg meter on filter water coming inside the outlet valve. Final filter water is we can call product water. All product water is collect product tank. Tank capacity is 1000 cubic meter. We use water supply to garden.